For the first time, let me announce 50 mark has been touched by the BJP, 50 seats by the BJP, 19 for the Aam Aadmi Party, and well, what a stupendous comeback by the BJP, and that stupendous performance is visible in two clusters, Swati.
Yes, complete dominance in Southeast Delhi and West Delhi, the only two sectors where the BJP seems a bit behind the Aam Aadmi Party, Central Delhi and Shadra. But take a look at the circumference of the orange dot. It's only increasing in South Delhi, in Southwest, complete dominance although in Southeast Delhi and West Delhi for the Bharatiya Janata Party.
So Southeast Delhi and West Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party has been thrown out. There is only the BJP there. In all other constituency, the saffron size is beginning to increase, and shrinking of the Aam Aadmi Party visible. Neoma Gupta, spokesperson of the BJP, joins this broadcast. Well, should we congratulate you, Neoma Gupta, or should we hold on? Is the BJP still being circumspect? Or because you've come down from 50 to 48, maybe Aam Aadmi Party fancies its chances even now. But how's the party looking at this?
Good morning, Navika. First of all, it's an honor to be on your show. The morning is looking
Most
good,
welcome.
and I think the people have voted very much for change, and the fact that the frustrated Delhiite has seen what are the... Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
BJP's day.
Okay, the people have obviously voted for change, and they were actually disgusted with the situation in Delhi. In fact, everybody is doing a micro-analysis of different sections. For me, it's more of a generic view because we had bad air, the sewage was everywhere, the roads are in a deplorable condition. So we have to get Delhi to become the best capital of the world, and that's exactly where we can see the votes heading. I mean, 10 years in power, no delivery, all the time excuses, blame game. In fact, if you look at the campaign, it was so negative that people, an informed voter could see through that. Either you're blaming this one, that one. In fact, I'm very surprised that in their manifesto, they never write that we'll do all this if this happens. So it's going to be a great win for BJP, and it's looking good so far.
Neoma Gupta, has the BJP saved some money because the Aam Aadmi Party alleged that 16 of their MLAs or potential MLAs were being offered 15 crore each? Is that now a saving, or is it down the drain because you've already given advances? What is the situation people want to know?
So, you know, there's persecution complex, and the nth moment assumptions of rubbish accusations of Aam Aadmi Party have all seen the light of just not making sense. I mean, one person comes, Mr. Kejriwal comes and says 15 people were offered, Mr. Sanjay Singh says 7. There's so many lacunas in their lies, and what I find very ironical is they all file the same complaint, and instead of filing 16 different complaints. So even their lies, you know, they have to support lies with lies which are further supported with lies. And today the people of Delhi have voted against a government who has been a constant lie, because the premise was a lie. If you remember, when Mr. Kejriwal joined the political arena, he came as a messiah of anti-corruption. Today he's in a Sheesh Mahal. Today he's you know, the one with the VIP syndrome. He has Z+ security from one state, yet he wants it from another state. I'm sorry, this doesn't work for anybody.
Abhinandita Mathur of the Aam Aadmi Party with us. Would you want to respond to Neoma Gupta?
Yes. You know, she has her, you know, she's rightfully has her opinion, but I would not agree with her at all. Number two, the trends that you are showing and the updates that I have are different. Now, Manish Sisodia is leading in Jangpura, Arvind Kejriwal is leading in New Delhi. One round is complete. Second round in all places have not been completed yet. BJP leading on 19 seats and Aam Aadmi Party leading on 36 seats. So that is the data that we have right now, and I think we can actually...
So the Aam Aadmi Party calculations are showing them leading in 36 seats. Our numbers are showing them leading in just half, 90.
Can we please request you to Election Commission?
BJP 28 and Aam Aadmi Party 9.
And only one round is over at Mustafabad. BJP candidate is leading by 5,700 votes in one round.
All right.